Hey everyone, it's nearly the weekend and welcome back to Mental Picks. So for today's Amazon leads, we got 40 deals from our Amazon online arbitrage leads. So let's check some of our deals today and let's start with All Beauty. And here, you could see this Jane Iredale Pure Pest Base that you could earn a profit of 8.25 with an ROI of 42%. Next is this Red Door Perfume Body Lotion, which you could earn a profit of 3.61 with an ROI of 34%. And lastly, from our All Beauty deal, the Sun Bomb Spray, you could earn a profit of 6.41 with an ROI of 48%. There you go. Very great finds for All Beauty website leads. So check out all the rest of our channels available here, and here are the freshly sourced websites that we got for you. So check them out. And if you're interested to earn free extra money, we got you these channels: review giveaways, affiliate income, job opportunities, and bounty bonus. So if you're interested, feel free to check out all the rest of these channels. And we got you a bot operated channel, which is the Amazon to Amazon monitoring or A to A flips. I know you guys are already familiar with it. So here are the freshly deals that you could get from Amazon that you could also sell from Amazon. So check out this channel. This is a bot operated channel. Another bot-operated channel that we got for you is this price drop monitoring, wherein you could see all the latest deals and price drops from this website. So today, let's check this one from Argos, mostly 50% price drop, and check the rest of them, guys, because we got a lot of finds here on this bot-operated channel of price drop monitor that we got for you. So check out all the rest of the channels. And lastly, our Amazon and general community wherein you could use to interact, chat, and communicate with one another. So don't hesitate to use it. And of course, share achievements with. That would be all for a recap today. I hope you guys have a very nice day ahead. Bye, everyone.